Welcome back to the Journal Audit tutorial series. Module 12 reads two closely linked sections: how well article titles match the journal's stated scope, and the data extraction workspace, where per-article evidence is gathered. A scope that drifts silently is a sign the journal is accepting work outside its mandate. Here, the system screens and quotes, while the final decision stays with the editor. We start on the Journal Audit page, where the finished Educia audit is stored in the list. Click the Educia entry under Saved Audits. The whole report loads again without recomputing. Scope alignment protects a journal's identity. Without it, a journal widens into a vessel with no core readership. Open the Title and Scope section from the Audit Results sidebar. The bars on the left split the portfolio: aligned, adjacent, not aligned, unclear, needs review, and insufficient metadata. The yardstick is the official aims and scope you entered at the start, not an assessor's taste or newsroom habit. The adjacent group does not mean wrong. It flags articles at the edge of the mandate worth a board discussion. Two compact figures sit beside them: title to scope similarity and a topic drift score across time. The dominant topic list shows what is actually published, which often differs from what the website claims. Below it, the journal's early period themes are compared with its most recent ones. If the themes shift far without ever being announced, an assessor will ask what this journal is actually about. The scope editor holds the aims and scope text in use. Revise it when the journal's official wording changes. The Reanalyze button reruns the entire classification against that new scope, rebuilding the anomaly list as well. So, scope changes must be logged. Audit results only mean something when read alongside the wording used. Per-article evidence lives in its own workspace. Click Open Data Extraction. The status filters split articles into pending, done, needs review, and all. The number on each button is the count. The needs review group matters most. There, the machine admits doubt and hands the case to an editor. 3 evidence fields are collected per article: the alignment result, grounds for fit, and grounds for mismatch. The grounds are quotes from the article itself, and quotes that pass text matching are marked verified. Unverified quotes are still shown with a question mark, so no claim is ever quietly hidden. The criteria panel shows the rules of the game: core domains, accepted topics, study types, geographies, and exclusions. Now we pick the pending filter, where the articles waiting to be analyzed are gathered. The Pick from this filter button takes up to 10 articles at once without ticking them one by one. The limit of 10 per run is not arbitrary. It keeps reading quality and analysis cost under control. The same figure appears on the Analyze button, so you always know how many articles are about to run. Pressing it raises a confirmation. Full-text PDFs are used when available, otherwise title and abstract. For now, we clear the selection again. The matrix below keeps recording every article's status and classification. Every matrix row opens through its review button, so you can inspect the quotes and correct the classification. The principle here is firm. The system screens and quotes, but the final classification is always human correctable. With that, Educia's scope alignment rests on quoted per-article evidence rather than a passing impression. The scope section is now fully legible: an initial machine classification, quoted evidence on every article, and human correction as the highest layer. In the closing module, we read the integrity risks, the combined anomaly register, and download the Word report ready for an accreditation dossier. See you there.